Future Jobscape, AI's roadmap to transformation in 5 years. Will there ever come a future where AI will finally take over all our jobs? Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's pretty surprising how quickly it has evolved. Remember when Alan Turing, the founder of AI, originally conceptualized artificial intelligence way back in 1950? He created the concept not only to mimic human reasoning, but to also see the limits of what we can compute. These are just some of the reasons why AI was created today, among dozens of other reasons why. But for something as advanced as this concept, it can seem a bit odd as to why it's so common nowadays. We're not saying this out of spite or anything, we are very happy with this. More people are now involved in the field of artificial intelligence, with different communities and groups dedicated to it. Take a scroll through social media right now, then simply type in the words AI. In just a few seconds, you will be bombarded with thousands of videos and posts of AI filled with different content. What can we say? Artificial intelligence has become more prevalent than ever, and not being updated with it can be quite a hassle. AI is always advancing every single day. There are always new concepts, ideas, and experiments being done within the field. AI development may be unpredictable at times, but one consistent factor of it is how dynamic it will always be. With new and recurring problems popping up every day, there is always something for AI to assist in. Speaking of which, AI is capable of doing a lot of advanced stuff. With enough training and experience, it can even surpass us humans. What happens if we reach that point? Will we humans not have any use anymore? In line with this thinking, we will be discussing whether AI will eventually replace us humans in the workplace from a 5-year perspective. Hello there AI enthusiasts! Welcome to Amazing AI, where we talk about artificial intelligence and all things related to it. AI. It's everywhere, and it's changing the game. We have gone so far ahead in the advancements in our society. But it's not just about hardware anymore. It's the rapidly advancing software that's got everyone's attention. We are in the digital age after all. Traditional means aren't enough anymore. We need to use better technology in our tasks these days. The same goes for various business workplaces that try to incorporate a lot of digital process in their environment. We're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring how it's reshaping our jobs, our creativity, and even our perception of reality. Hold on to your seats because this will be a wild ride. In order for us to provide you with more AI content that interests you, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now let's get on with our first segment. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of AI's impact on jobs, let's talk about its creative side. AI can now generate art, memes, and even write essays. Meme templates, fun story formats, and even hilarious images can be generated at a moment's notice thanks to the insane developments that AI has. These programs are very easy and convenient to use, and most of them are mainstream too. But can it replicate cardistry? Well, we're still determining. Creative jobs are already feeling the heat. Let's see how AI is transforming creativity. AI might be advanced, but it can also have its creative limits. The era of purely human-generated data is over. The rise of AI-generated content came with a new digital age, which now presents the potential of human and AI-generated data. The world of content creation is undergoing a seismic shift. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are helping people create art, write essays, and even generate valuable images for advertising. This means creative jobs are no longer safe for automation. Watch out, Picasso! It's so surreal from a historic perspective. Back then, it took so much time and effort to create high-quality art. Artists would need to spend so much time, money, and effort to birth a masterpiece. But nowadays, you only need a decent laptop and an internet connection to produce beautiful art. Sure, all of this might be exciting and all, but now we have the AI writer's dilemma. As thrilling as this may be, not everyone's thrilled about this creative AI explosion. The Writers Guild of America is in heated battle with studios over AI's role in TV and film production. Are human writers in danger of being replaced? The drama unfolds. What will happen to all the work that film experts and directors put into their films? Will they all just be stripped of their roles? People in this industry are filled with a lot of uncertainty when it comes to AI. It might not be so advanced enough to create scripts yet, but that time may eventually come. It's not only in the creative industry because the AI invasion covers all kinds of industries in modern society. AI isn't stopping at creativity. It's infiltrating various industries. From banking to marketing and advertising, AI is automating tasks, reducing errors, and improving efficiency. The good news? AI is everywhere. The bad news? Well, AI is everywhere. Even if AI has its own set of regulations and processes, its pace of spreading is very unpredictable. But how is this affecting jobs? This roadmap is looking pretty unpredictable, don't you think? There's a lot of controversy and advancements, which is something that AI faces regularly. How about you? What do you think of the potential future of AI? We'd love to know more about your thoughts, so let us know in the comments below. Now back to the video. We will elaborate more on the economics of AI in the workplace. Economists have been predicting the impact of AI for years. Jobs in office administration, legal, finance, and any repetitive tasks are at risk. AI is becoming a powerful productivity tool, and companies are investing in it to cut costs. AI has so many benefits and capabilities that make it distinct when it comes to the workplace. It's very versatile, and at the same time, it's continuously developing at a rapid pace. Makes sense as to how much its demand and supply have increased throughout the years. But is it all bad news? So next we have the job displacement conundrum. It's not just about losing jobs to AI, it's also about companies prioritizing productivity over employment. With AI, they can do more with fewer human workers. Less human biases and limitations can lead to more profit and optimization. With AI, you never have to worry about your workers being tired or absent because these are just machines. You can see it in Dropbox's recent layoffs, which tell the tragic tale of this job displacement shenanigans. But what about the component of human touch that we put in our work? Just as we said earlier, no matter how advanced it is, AI still has its limitations. It's evident especially when it comes to the human touch. While AI can do a lot, it's not infallible. It's only as good as the data it's fed, and it can even produce what we call hallucinations. Misinformation is a real concern. What happens when the data is fake? When the data is corrupted? How can AI discern what's real or fake? It still hasn't reached that level where you can count on it to do complicated tasks consistently. Human judgment and ethics are irreplaceable, especially with how the work environment is always changing. As AI continues to develop, so does their battle against misinformation. Fake news and misinformation are a growing problem, and AI tools are democratized. Unfortunately, this makes it easy for anyone to create fake news, fake data, and even fake people. Heck, it even creates fake government laws. Society must now grapple with AI's ethical implications. It's still very important for us to double-check outputs created by AI. It's getting a bit serious, so how about we move on to the potential for good that artificial intelligence has? It's not all doom and gloom. AI can do a lot of good too. It's helping scientists map proteins, potentially leading to cures for diseases. AI is a tool, and it's up for us to harness it for the greater good. Unless you have never used AI before, you would be lying if you said AI was completely dangerous. It can help us optimize our tasks in every field. With enough training, experience, and regulations, we can use this complicated tool in our favor. So, is AI going to replace all our jobs? The answer is yes. But no? Or just maybe. To be honest, it's really hard to tell. It's reshaping industries, yes, but it's also creating new opportunities. AI has dual nature, as you might say. The real challenge is in navigating this AI-powered world with ethics and responsibility. We must embrace AI's potential for good while mitigating its risks. With the internet's vast sea of knowledge, we're sure that you can further educate yourself in this matter for the future. Or you can just also stay tuned in our channel for more updates. The choice is yours. As always, it's been a pleasure taking this AI journey with you. Here at Amazing AI, we always make sure to provide you with news and other updates in relation to this field of knowledge. If you want to stay tuned to what the Amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.